Imagine having access to up to 60 gallons of pure, drinkable water every single day. Meet the Aqua Tower, an innovative water generation system designed to extract moisture from the air. Inspired by military technology, the Aqua Tower cools humid air, turning it into clean water. This condensation-based method mimics nature's water cycle, making it perfect for areas with limited freshwater access. It's not just for emergencies, it's for anyone looking to live sustainably. But what do real users think? John from Texas shared, "The Aqua Tower was easy to set up. Now, I have clean water without expensive options." Emily from Florida used it for hurricane preparation, ensuring her family has reliable water. Mark from Colorado admires its efficiency, perfect for off-grid living. So, what exactly is the Aqua Tower? It's a sleek, hydration system that enhances your water quality by removing contaminants and adding essential minerals. This means better hydration and health benefits for you and your family. Let's break down how the Aqua Tower transforms air into clean water. It starts with a multi-stage filtration that removes chlorine and heavy metals. After that, it reintroduces vital minerals like calcium and magnesium. These nutrients not only improve taste but also support your body's hydration. Equipped with advanced UV treatment, the Aqua Tower neutralizes harmful microorganisms, offering you water that is both pure and nourishing. All of this happens quickly and effortlessly, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. The vision behind Aqua Tower comes from Richard Wilson and a passionate team of experts dedicated to tackling global water challenges. Their goal? To provide clean, safe water for everyone while promoting sustainability and reducing plastic waste. The technology behind Aqua Tower is impressive. First, it uses an activated carbon filter to remove contaminants effectively. Then, a reverse osmosis system eliminates dissolved impurities. Finally, it enriches the water with essential minerals, making every sip beneficial for your health. Using the Aqua Tower is straightforward. Unpack it, connect it to your water source, and let it do the work. It features smart monitoring to alert you when filters need changing, ensuring peak performance with minimal effort. Why choose Aqua Tower? Here are some top benefits. 1. Say goodbye to unreliable municipal water. 2. Save money by eliminating bottled water costs. 3. Prepare for emergencies with a reliable water source. 4. Support sustainability by reducing plastic waste. 5. Enjoy high-quality water, enriched with essential minerals. Aqua Tower is perfect for various lifestyles, families, preppers, travelers, and environmental advocates. In summary, Aqua Tower offers a sustainable, efficient solution for hydrated living. Don't wait. Secure your Aqua Tower now and enjoy cleaner, fresher water every day. Click the link to buy today.